How to add signature in Outlook Classic. Open your Outlook Classic application, then click on New Email. In the Compose window, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Now click on Signature and then select Signatures. In the Signatures and Stationery window, you'll see the Select Signature to Edit section. Here, all your existing signatures will appear. If it's empty, that means no signature has been created yet. To create a new signature, click on the New button. Enter a name for your signature and click OK. Next, choose the email account where you want to apply this signature. Then, in the New Messages drop-down, select the signature you just created. Do the same for replies and forwards. This ensures your signature is automatically added to all new emails, replies, and forwarded messages. Now it's time to design your signature. You can either paste a pre-designed signature or create one using the built-in editing tools available here. Once everything is set, click OK to save your changes. Now close this window and click on New Email again. You'll see that your signature is automatically added to the email. And that's how you can add a signature in Outlook Classic. Thanks for watching.